This is a timeless design which matches the style of persons who wish to construct a low-budget 3-bedroom bungalow. The design will simply suit a middle-sized family. Some of the key points considered at the design stage are total floor area, the land size for construction and the cost of construction as well. The building has an area of 161.8 square meters with a construction budget of approximately $48,540. The building sits suitably on a land of size 24 by 24 meters and an area of 576 square meters. There is also enough space for car parking and other outdoor activities. The layout of the plan comprises 2 terraces, one at front and another at the back. The living and dining areas are merged together in the same space. 1 master bedroom and 2 other bedrooms. A spacious kitchen and its store. And 2 washrooms for both occupants and visitors. Walk through the living area. Dining area. Walk through kitchen. Walk through master bedroom. Walk through master bath. Walk through shared washroom. through other bedrooms. The 2 bedrooms have the same sizes and room arrangements. The spaces are roomy and allow for wardrobes. They also share a common washroom which can also be used by a visitor as well. Thanks so much for watching and supporting this channel. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.